Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Claude account step by step. If you no longer want to use the app or you're looking to remove your account permanently, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to proceed. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Claude. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you don't miss any options. Once the app is updated, simply open the Claude app on your device. Now tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. After that, tap on your profile section. Then tap on Profile Settings. Once you're inside, scroll all the way down until you find the Delete Account option and tap on it. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Simply confirm it, and your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Claude account has been successfully removed. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.